What's up, Vivid Racing fans? Today we are going to be doing the McLaren 720s, our project car here that we have done a handful of cool work to. Now it's going to get the ECU tune in cooperation with M Engineering, the only guys to be flashing these through the port with all types of other features. You recently saw us do this on Scott Disick's car out in California. Now we're doing it on this one. So there it is. That is the McLaren 720 with this incredibly crazy forged carbon full kit here that we did, and it has our VR Performance exhaust on it, so downpipes, everything. This probably will be shooting flames. And here it is, the M Engineering cable. So once the ECU is unlocked, we can do flashing directly, we can do data logging, put it in dyno mode. So now we're gonna bring this thing over to the dyno, strap it down, and do some runs. So this should be loud and incredible. Let's light this thing up, bring it over there. We're inside the McLaren and we've got the laptop connected with M Engineering software. We have the ability to change maps. What do we got to do that?
Yeah, so this guy's got active map switching on the fly. So basically you come to a stop, you put the car into neutral, and then down here on the cruise control stalk, you're gonna hold this forward until it activates map switching. So you're gonna see here that the TAC is now set to 2000 RPM. That's showing that we're actually in map 2. And then if you wanna change it, you simply just push up or down.
So that's pretty cool. So it shows you which map you're in by changing the RPM. So we're gonna run it now. Let's run it in the, what was it, Pops and Bangs map?
Yep.
And see how that does. So let's put that into stage 2 Pops and Bangs and see what it does. Pretty sure if something were to happen, we were going straight through there, but that was sick. So massive flames, good pops. So let's see what type of horsepower we got now. 738 horsepower, correction factor 847, max torque 678 with correction factor 779. So we're gonna do a couple more runs through the different maps and keep having fun here. Exhaust was bright red, so we're letting it cool down now, but I think everybody's impression here is that was the most insane thing they've ever seen. This thing must scream when it comes to the street, so I don't know, maybe we'll get to drive it. It's raining out here in AZ, so it's not going anywhere right now. So let's see if we can get another day here. If not, that's gonna be a wrap.